Okay, we're checking out the water tanks today. We've had a few days of rain, so we're checking out how much everything is getting.
Yeah. Looking good so far. It's been, I guess I would say, a total of 2.5 days of rain. Not back to back, but we got some rain last week too. And 60 gallons in that first one.
Yeah, not bad. We had set up these tarps the other day, and then there was a lot of wind. They got a lot. That's an understatement.
They got jacked
Yeah, they got jacked
up,
up.
but
They got
we were
jacked
able to
up.
reconstruct and
Yeah,
reconfigure, improvise, and look at how much we caught.
in this one,
Yeah, that the
almost
transmission pan.
100. Yeah, the
Yeah.
transmission pans make a big difference. Almost 100 gallons in this
Yeah,
one.
which is like exciting for us because
The tanks hold 275 a piece.
right now we have 3 for catchment,
Mm-hmm.
but we also have an additional 2 that we have to set up catchment for, and we have a 55-gallon tank as well that we're going to start, channeling water.
And we're building metal roofing for all the tanks. That's the process. So the plastic is not, the tarps are not our ideal, but for now, they're working out.
Fluid pan off of this one.
One of our barrels there
So we
that
can put it on another one.
we got to hook a catchment system
This
up to.
one isn't really.
And it's catching a
That's
little
just a
bit
trickle.
of water,
Let's
but
see the other one.
all of it is
See what a difference the
meaningful.
transmission
So
fluid
we're
pan
thankful
made.
for that.
Here we go to another one. This one's closer to the shed.
The other one got more.
Not bad.
However,
Probably would have thought we would have got a little more in this one as well,
Considering.
but still thankful
the wind
nonetheless.
did to
Look
our
at that.
setup.
So the wind damaged
Look,
that
yeah,
all up.
that gives you an
And
idea.
then
We added the pan
yeah,
to help
and the
out.
bungee cords. Shout out to our garden, composted, ready to go for the spring.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
And leave out buckets, leave out wagons, wheelbarrows, whatever you have, because it'll catch rain.